Good morning, baby. Oh, baby, don't cry. I love you. Can you say good morning first?
Not my problem.
Okay, I love you.
Love you.
Okay, I'm gonna get to work, okay? I'm not, mommy, silly. Okay. Welcome to my Saturday. It all started like a normal day, like any other Saturday, lazy. And I felt like going out today, kinda. What's up, guys? Good morning. Today is Saturday, April 13th, and IEKartsandcoffee hosts a meet every Saturday of a specific date of the month. I'll find out exactly what it is and I'll let you guys know later. But we're headed over to the first location, which is a Starbucks over in the city of, I believe it's Rancho. It's on Terry Mills. So head over there. Everyone probably pretty much gets donuts and some coffees, and then they head over to the second location, which is K1. Is ready to go? Let's do this. Whoop. Ooh. Here we are, guys. IEKartsandcoffee. It's a bunch of people. Oh my gosh, there's so many cars. It's like all the way this way now. Where do I park? Oh, damn. This is a big one. That's what she said. No matter how many car meets I ever go to, I always get really nervous. Good morning. Hey, it's good. It's a good turnout.
I know.
You have a race car, so I printed this yesterday.
Amazing.
That's for you.
Thanks, Mike.
Where's the man?
He's somewhere over there. He's getting some shots too.
Here you go.
Aw, thank you. That's awesome.
You guys can have match.
Widebody M4. It's on bags too.
Ooh.
I know.
I spot a tuner crate shirt. What's up? What's up, dude? What's up, man? I spotted the shirt.
Yeah, oh, really?
I was like, the guy is protesting right now.
Got the sticker on there too.
What'd you drive?
The Z.
Okay. The black one or the silver one?
The silver one.
Okay. Damn. Oh my gosh. Asian parties.
I think it was like a wedding.
Dude, your car is sick.
Dirty right now.
Sorry, my car is dirty too. I like it. I bet you his car's loud. I bet you his car's loud. Oh, it's quiet. I like your car.
Oh, thank you.
I thought it was gonna be crazy loud.
Oh no, it's all soft under the hood.
Oh, okay. I was really concerned. I was like, oh god, it's gonna be crazy loud.
When I came last minute, man, my brother's car was parked in front of me. I used the jack to get out the way.
Nice.
Yeah, man, this is awesome.
That's nice.
See you at K1?
Yeah, see you at K1. So right behind me, everyone is leaving out of the parking lot, and I'm gonna wait till the end so everyone stays together, all the cool cars, and I'll be in the back of the pack. I'll find parking somewhere else that's not in the way of the cool cars, and then hopefully we get some cool footage too. You guys ready to head over there? Let's go. It sounds like a bunch of car guys leaving. Oh man. Damn! I've got the quietest car here. I'll let everyone go. It's getting rowdy. We just saw, it looks like a E36 doing a burnout. It's getting rowdy, people. All right, I think it's safe to say I can go pretty soon. Check this out. That's funny, I'm like so quiet, the car is so quiet, it's so funny. There's like no noise, I can hear them laugh. Oh man, okay, I gotta figure out where I'm going. I don't wanna get lost here. We found the back lot with all the cars. Man, there's a lot of cars here. I'm gonna go ahead and park all the way over here to be out of the way of everybody else. I like how he has a Starbucks cup in his hand. It's loud here at the freeway. It's so nice. What's up, dude? Okay, I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna be seeing what you do.
I gotta be on the vlog.
All right, man.
See if they got one for my big head.
They have one for my head. They have one for yours. All right, a lot of first-time runners here, so we're gonna see how they do.
Hi, guys.
Yeah. Hi. Hello.
Going good.
That's for your keychain. Race car.
This is so cool. Thank you.
Feeling? Yeah. No, I think they're hiking today. How'd you do?
Pretty good. 5th place.
Good. How was it? Easy? Hard?
Hard.
Did you use a lifting? No
Yeah.
brake?
All I did was lift until like I would get behind a guy and they would
Yeah.
blue flag him and
Yeah.
he wouldn't let me pass.
Huh.
So I had to like step on the brakes.
Yeah,
and, like,
yeah.
pass him.
Yeah, it sucks when you get stuck behind somebody.
Fun though.
Yeah.
Super fun.
You had 2 races, right?
Yeah, I got
Oh,
one.
hell yeah. All right, guys, we are done with IEKartsandcoffee. Next month, they're actually gonna do a 3-location thing. Coffee spot, K1 spot, and then they're heading over to San Dimas for a taco spot, like a taco truck guy. I think I'm gonna take the GTR on that one. If you guys wanna come along, please do. But in the meantime, let's head home to the baby. Hi, baby.
Vlog.
The vloggy. Can you say bye to the vlog?
Bye, doggy.
Can you say I love you?
I love you.
Can you say drive safe?
Yes, Dad.
And I'll see you later.
See you later.
Can you give me a kiss? Face bump. Boom.